Hello everyone and welcome to today's new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install iOS 16 public beta for free on your iPhone. First, go to Safari, type iOS 16 public beta, press the first link, and now you will see this page. It will prompt you to sign in. After you sign in, you will get to this screen. You will tap on iOS or iPadOS or which version of iOS or macOS you have. And here it's gonna say, installed a new profile, back it up, and yeah, you're good to go. So that's how you get the iOS 16 public beta on your iPhone or iPad, macOS or tvOS or even watchOS. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.